What's going on, guys? Ed from Bob's Hobby Shop on RC. Another video. Ickysticky is here, and I'm so excited, as you can see in the background, and you can hear my voice, right? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm so excited. So awesome to get their products and hopefully to be a retailer. I'm pretty sure of it. I was gonna open the big box in front of you guys, but it got damaged. It's like the bottom got wet somehow, and then this is how our postal people and delivery people care, so luckily nothing inside was damaged. So, but I opened the box, but I didn't look inside, so I'm going to do this all in front of you guys so you can see what some of the stuff is that we're going to wind up hopefully having. Care about this, she's all free stuff to us. She got decals and koozies, pens, and I finally figured out what these were. I was like, what are these? They're coasters. So when you're doing your project, put your beer down and it doesn't run out. So at least that's what I think they are. Just give us some free paper. It's beyond awesome. So I'm going to hit into the big box. We'll work little, big to the biggest. So like I said, I haven't taken anything out yet. So I wanted to do it all in front of you guys. So these are all, let's see what we got. The brush glues, which is awesome. I feel like a little kid at Christmas, you know? Woohoo, look what I got! This is their extra thin cement. And it does have the brush applicator, I believe. Yes. And we got, I'm just going to get a knife and cut these open. Make it easier. I promise I won't stab myself, because then it won't be child friendly, I guess they say now. This is their quick set cement, which I am so anxious to try. I mean, look how big the bottles are. And this also has the brush applicator too. These are way better, I believe, than, I mean, you pick what you want, but we're gonna have this. I think they're way better than Tamiya, excuse me. Then we have just a regular liquid cement. And all of this works on resin, styrene, everything, your model kits. This is way better than what they have on the market now. So there's those we got, man. She sent us a epoxy plastic putty. Make your own parts. So it doesn't shrink. Mixes just like putty. You cut a piece off. Sets in 10 to 15 minutes. And this is their flex. This is what I've been excited to get. This is for all your clears. So instead of using your white glues and it dries faster, it stays flexible. Not like regular cement. So if you're transporting your model to your, to the model car contest or whatever, you don't have to worry about fixing so many pieces. But this is, I'm excited. And this is their RC type glue for their wheels and tires. It could be used for others as well, I'm sure. So here's another. This is all our care package. Monique is phenomenal. This is the other one I wanted to do. This is to fill gap, cracks, holes. I really excited to try these. You mix them, it's a filler, and then the adhesive, and then you can fill it in instead of using putty. So I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try all of this. Like I said, I'm like a kid at Christmas, man. And then she has her black Flexi CA. Shock and impact resistant, and then we have the thick CA, which I also want to try this. She has her thin CA and her medium. Most of this is what I will be carrying in the hobby shop online until we get a store. So we have our metal repair. So like if you're doing the, what are those, the aluminum ones or the lead body ones, use this for filling, and there's your putty. She has also sent us a nice ickysticky. It's in millimeters, and then on the back it has inches. Very nice. It's metal. This is awesome. I'm so excited. And then here's a, while I'm showing you that one, here's the big one. She sent us the bigger one, the 30-inch. Also has the same thing, millimeters, inches on the back. I'm excited. She has her file sets. So when you guys are cutting out everything, these are phenomenal. Jason from Outlaw Paints, he is the one that turned me on to Monique, and he's done raved about it. And he said it's better than anything out there. And he is an avid modeler. He has a Aussie scale model, I believe it is, on YouTube. So I'm so excited to get all this. We have another set of her needle files. And that is box one. Let's go to the bigger one. That's what she said, right? Sorry. This I'm excited to try. I'm excited to try all of it. These are her tapes. They all come in the dispenser. These all come with it and the dispenser. I'll have the prices for everything. If there's anything you guys see that you like, put down in the comments. You know, like our page. And I'll keep doing more videos. We have an exciting build coming up, which is part of this. I'll reveal the build when I get Outlaw Paints here. She has her cotton swabs, small, medium, and larges. We have the brush flat tip applicators. These are disposable, just like what's in the glue, but the glue, of course, you know, it's not. These I'm gonna definitely. These are micro brush applicators. This is a 1.2 mil. This is their 2 mil. This is their 2.5 mil. And it's nice. And they're way cheaper than the ones that are out there. And then we have, there's 1.2 mil. These are disposable micro thin tip brushes. I'm sure you could reuse them, rinse them off in thinner, and these are awesome. What else do we get? This is so exciting. Oh, these are awesome. I've seen these. These are their glass files. These are great. So for, like, you know, you're doing body work, or when you clip your piece off the sprue, you don't want to cut it with your knife. It has medium, fine, and super fine. These are glass, and they also come with the cases. So they have the large ones, which are these. And let's see if she stick the. They also have the what are they? The smaller ones, which I want to get, and they're phenomenal. Like I said, Jason is. I'm so excited that he has turned me on to this. They have their brushes. Full set. This one's 3, 4 to 5 mil. These are flat. These are their synthetic detail brushes. This also has different sizes. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice wood handles in both sets. Not the plastic stuff. Then we have the synthetic paint. Also different sizes. I know everything's backwards because I have my camera turned backwards. Didn't mean to. It's 5, 3, 2, and 1. 0 and 1. And these are also wood handle. Very nice. These are silicone tip. These are brushes as well. These are their soft sanding sponges, which is nice for also doing your body work. Three sizes, different grains, all the way up to 3,000. So, my bench is getting full, and we still have more to go. I don't know how much I can tell you. I appreciate this one. These are awesome. These are their pickup pens. So if I was going through, I think I seen it. Yes, it has replacement. It comes with the tips. It has the 2 ends, 2 applicators, the middle, and then the wax end. doesn't leave a residue on the on your plastic. So, and then they have, we're gonna use different tips you can purchase if your other one something happens to it, which is nice, very nice. Oh yeah, what are these? This nano tape, double-sided adhesive. Definite mixing cups and stirs. So when you guys are using the 2 parts, comes with the cups, stirs, even has the milliliters on the side, so that when you do your next formula, if you rinse it, rinse the cup out, you can use it again, but you do your next one, you'll remember how much paint you mix, just like a full-size one. These are nice. These are definitely, everything's getting used. She has her nano tape. It's clear, double-sided, transparent, I should say, sorry. Applicators, so, or the, excuse me, the pipelets. So for you guys that don't want to use the brush, put it in there. You have accurate tip. And she has a larger size one for your paints or for whatever. It says small, yeah, for small amounts. And they have the 3 mil size. So there's 2 different sizes. These are nice. And these are from Australia. Ickysticky is located in Australia. So is Outlaw Paints. Trying to get better stuff over here than what we have. More variety. Has a paintbrush stand. Very nice. Put it together. Put your brushes. Now that I have such a variety of brushes, I'm definitely going to use these. These, everything here, and that takes care of that box. And then here comes the bigger box. This is her paint clip set. And this is all Ickysticky brand. No, nothing. It comes with your alligator clips. On the bottom has Ickysticky stamped on it. On the other side, I'll pull it out. These will be available for purchase as well. Everything that I have, like I said, if there's something you guys see that you like, she has so much more variety more. This is not even, this is like a touch of it. She has way more on her website. But I'll be here in the States. So anybody in the States that would like to purchase, they don't have to wait to have it shipped from Australia. It'll come from me. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think. I'm happy. Thank you, Monique. Awesome. So excited to try all these products, and I will let you guys know when Outlaw gets here. Then I will reveal the project we are doing, and it's just going to be products that are in my shop, then to show you that I'm the one-stop place you can get everything you need. Like I said, I'm trying to bring a little bit more variety of product over here, way better. So I'm excited to start using these. So all her CAs, everything works on resin very well too. So it's not just for one thing. It works on metal, rubber, everything. So until I get Outlaw, I will let you guys know. We do have a Instagram page now. We have the Facebook page, and we have the website, and of course our YouTube channel. So like I said, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and more will be coming. Thanks, guys.